from this handyman with Kitty hold this.
Hey guys, thanks for coming back to America's Funniest Handyman. Welcome to a closet that we're going to do today. This closet, luckily today, happens to be in the basement of my wife's church, the Albanian Orthodox Church in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We're going to be ripping out the back of this closet and adding some brand new storage shelves. And I'm going to show you how to scrap storage shelves together, especially if nobody's going to see it and all you want is strength and the ability to put whatever you want. Anyhow, my friend Sebastian is here to teach you a couple of cool things like toe screwing. What's a toe screw? Here he is right now. He's already here. He's got everything set up. Sebastian, over here. Come on. All right, I'm going to let Sebastian walk you through what we're doing today. Yeah, I know it's your first time on TV. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for one of my oldest friends in carpentry, Sebastian the Shelf Maker. Come on, Sebastian. Okay, yes, my name is Sebastian Shelfmaker. I have been making shelves so long, most of my life, even when I was a small child. I started out making my first shelf when I was approximately 18 months old. I fashioned a shelf out of an old diaper and some rubber cement. Anyhow, I love it so much, I, a few years back, changed my name to Sheldon Shelfmaker, much to my mother's dismay, but I figured if I'm going to live with her, I might as well be my own man. I'm sorry about the big hat, but I have a sensitive scalp condition, and my mother insists that I wear a large hat to protect my sensitive scalp. Okay, let's get started. Now we're going to be tearing this whole back of the closet out using an oscillating saw and my pry bars. And then after that, we will be searching around the church to see what materials we have available to make this installation happen. I've got the sheathing ripped off of the back of this closet to expose what's left behind it. These are just members that were used to add the sheathing. I'm going to take most of these out. I'm going to leave this one here in the center because they want to hang clothes on this side, and I'm going to use it as a structural member so that I can put up a center divide that will help hold the curtain rod on this side, and it'll help hold the couple of shelves I'm going to put in on this side, and that's it. It's really just that simple. I'll show you how to put in some of those horizontal members in just a second. So here's the vertical pieces that I took out and cut out this direction, and I stabbed in this little piece of plywood that I found in the back storage room. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to repurpose these old verticals by pulling out the nails and using them to make a horizontal box, because I want a big shelf right here, and I want another big shelf right here. And that's the simple way to do it. You'll see in just a second. This is a vertical board that I have to install right here. That's going to be the divider. So, right now, I'm going to give you a little lesson in toe screwing. What the hell is toe screwing? Let's find out. So, for toe screws, what you want to do is you want to get your drill bit going about an inch or so from the bottom piece. And then after you get your drill bit going, you want to turn it on an angle and screw it in at a very severe angle.
Swing the hammer, turn the screw, cut the saw and stick the glue, shave the shim, clean.
Now we're going to do the same thing on this side and this side so you can see the angle.
Drill the hole and fill the hole, put the thingy in the hole. Be sure you're having fun, measure twice, cut once.
Toe screwing. That's how you toe screw.
Maybe you can't tell a joke, but when your stuff gets broke, what do? You give Tommy a call, whether it's large or small. There's no project he can't see through. Let's laugh and learn from this handyman with Kitty hold this by his side. Fixing stuff in a serious way with a not so serious guy.
All right, as you can see, I have added a small horizontal box, and then I'm going to set plywood on both of those, and it's going to be strong as hell. Well, okay, Isn't that fantastic? I've got my plywood cut out, and I've set it on top of what I call my horizontal boxes, and now it's gonna be strong as heck. I'm gonna screw it down, of course, because the plywood that I found at the back of the church is a little curvy, but with a bunch of screws, it'll straighten right out, and then you can put just about anything on top of this. We're gonna go ahead and put a clothes hanger rod right there. I don't have it with me today, but that's a pretty simple installation. I think you guys can handle that. Anyway, this is a basic storage shelf, and this is a type that I make when I'm in a hurry and I've just got a bunch of scrap materials that I want to use up. Okay, now that I'm all finished with the shelves, one of the things that I like to do whenever I'm working with Tommy Highland, I like to take all of his tools and I like to put them on the shelves that I built for two reasons. One, he gets to see how strong and secure the shelves are that I built for him, and also it makes me laugh when he can't find his stuff. Watch this, it's pretty funny. Okay, watch this. He's gonna come back in a second. He's not gonna know where anything is. Shh. I'm gonna go hide. You guys. Hey, Sheldon, I grabbed some of those concrete bits that you were asking about. Sheldon. Did he leave? You take all my tools? I wanted him to leave my tools here so I could take them home. Sebastian! Oh, Sheldon, where are you? You're so funny. I thought he took my tools. I swear to God, he plays this prank on me. I know, I got you so good, dude. I got you so good. I got you so good. You should have seen your face, man. Did you see his face? You should have seen his face. You should have seen your face, Tommy. Brand new shelves that he built. Man, I got you good. Well, listen, you guys, I hope you learned a little bit about building some very basic and simple storage shelves out of some scrap lumber that you got laying around and you're ready to get rid of. As always, thanks for letting us bring a whole lot of experience and a little bit of humor onto your job site.
Fixing stuff in a serious way, but not so serious guy.